Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies and cream milk tea. First, gather all your ingredients, including black tea, milk, chocolate sandwich cookies, and heavy cream. Next, we'll brew a strong tea base and prepare the cookie and cream components separately. Finally, we'll combine everything for a delightful, refreshing beverage that's perfect for any time of day. Let's start by brewing our tea base. Use 2 black tea bags for a rich, strong flavor that will stand up to the other ingredients. Steep them in 1 cup of hot water for about 5 minutes. Once brewed, remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool down completely. You can even chill it in the refrigerator to ensure your final drink is perfectly cold and not watered down. Now let's prepare the star components. Crush about 4 chocolate sandwich cookies into coarse crumbs. These will add texture and flavor. Next, whip 1/4 cup of heavy cream until soft peaks begin to form. Then, gently fold in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. This sweetens the cream and gives it that signature cookies and cream taste, making it extra decadent. It's time to assemble your delicious drink. Start by adding 1/4 cup of your crushed cookie crumbs to the bottom of your serving glass. Next, pour in the cooled black tea, followed by 1/2 cup of your preferred milk. Finally, generously top your drink with the sweetened whipped cream you prepared earlier. For a beautiful finish, sprinkle a few extra cookie crumbs on top.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.